Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming back with a haul. Now, I won't be doing very many hauls this year, at least that's what I'm trying to tell myself, because I have a small craft room and this is enough that I have. Other than some dies, I can fit dies in here and there. But anyways, let's jump into this haul. So I seen, I want to say her channel name is Vagabond Crafter or something to that effect. I seen her do the Hobby Lobby clearance haul, and I seen dies in there. And I was just like, oh, gotta go just to get the dies. Because there were some dies that I had seen earlier this year, and I specifically waited for this sale. So, anyways, so let's jump in and show you what I was able to pick up. So, I seen this precision tip bottle, and the price was $1.25, $1.24, and I was able to get all three. That's all they had. I took those. And then I also picked up this stamp. It's from Hero Arts. I thought this was really cute. And it's a birthday stamp set. I don't know what it's actually called, but anyways, birthday stamp set. And there goes that. And that was $3.99. The prices weren't as good as they usually are, but nevertheless, still good prices. And I seen everybody last year hauling this, and I thought I would pick this up this year. And so got that. And then I also been wanting this. So glad I waited, $4.24. And let me say that when I went out there yesterday, the lady was just starting the discounting. And I asked her when she was going to discount the dies. And she said, well, I'm just now starting. So I left and went back. So glad I did because I pretty much had first dibs. I wasn't going to buy a lot, but I did get the ones I wanted. And now I love owls as well. So I was happy to pick this one up for $4.24. And I thought this one was really cute too. That one was $4.24 as well. And then I have wanted this one for a couple years now. Never went on sale, so I finally picked up this. Now, probably my best find of the day, because I was one who was getting tired of purchasing the replacement blades for trimmers. I was able to find this Fiskars Precision Dual System Straight Cuts Shelf Sharpening Steel Blade for $33.99. This is their original price, which this is what they sold it at, $84. So $33.99. Oops, sorry about that. Was an awesome price. So I'm very excited to have this. And I'm just going to flip it over so you can just kind of see how it looks on the back side. So I am excited to have that. So if you have the chance, make sure you go out there and see if you can find one of these good price. And I actually showed that upside down. So I'm just sliding it so you can actually see it. So it goes all the way out to 12 inches and it can fold down as well. There. All right. So those are what I have. Be on the lookout because I will soon be starting Hobby Lobby Challenge with Mo to use some of these items that I was able to pick up. And like I've always said, I concentrate on dies. You concentrate on what you get. But I probably won't start for about 2 or 3 more weeks because I know the sales have just started and I want to give everybody an ample amount enough time to get some deals for themselves. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.